First plane, guys, of the evening is Air India Dreamliner with its gear down quite early on. It heads down towards Birmingham. There it appears, heading down to Birmingham. Next up, we've got Ryanair from Farrow, heading down towards Birmingham Airport. Lovely angle there. Gears down. As it heads down to Birmingham. Up there we've got United Airlines. As well, that's heading down towards London. Next we've got Aer Lingus in the ATR, heading down towards Birmingham for the evening arrival. Absolutely beautiful. Air Gurney, heading down towards Birmingham. What a lovely aircraft that is. I quite like the design of that aircraft on the ATR that is heading down towards Birmingham. Off that goes. Gear is down. There is Ethiopian plane which just took off from Manchester not long ago, heading down towards Geneva in Italy. Ryanair from Budapest. As it has down towards Birmingham. Loganair from Aberdeen is in next. It gears down very early. Oh. It heads down towards Birmingham Airport. Look, and there is the wonderful Emirates. before it comes into Birmingham. Just got to turn. And here comes Emirates. Round and round we go. Getting down from Dubai. Looks like it's dropped its gears down as well. And out it appears. Lovely stuff. There is British Airways heading down to London Heathrow from Tokyo. It pops in and out of the clouds. There it goes, heading down